Hello? Good morning, dear viewer. Hi, Bob. This is Andy, and this is Andy's World Journeys. In 2025, I am going around the world in the direction that I like to call the wrong way, against the spin of the Earth. Today is day 10. It is the 20th of April 2025. It is Easter Sunday. We've just had some ding-dong belly bells going on. Today, Graham and I will be hiking, or attempting to, the Santa Ana volcano.
Round the world, and it's going round the world. Love us a train or plane or car.
Looks like that's
It doesn't matter just how
our vehicle up the mountain.
Cause Andy's going round the world, round the world, and he's going.
How are you feeling about the hike, the forthcoming hike?
Should be good.
Graham's offered to carry me after I stumble and do my ankle and can't breathe after the first 2 steps.
Yeah. I'm carrying him right into the volcano.
This is where the bus drops people off, and we'll take the bus back from, and then it's only a few hundred metres to the trailhead, I believe, where you get guides and pay your fees and all this. And here we are. Now we've got to work it out. Okay folks, so the bus usually gets in a bit before 10. So the idea is we want to see if there's enough people that we can grab a group. We just basically want to be on the first available group. Just up there is a car park. Volcano Santa Ana. So apparently this car park is where you wait, and the guides will come at around 9:30. Just spoke to a guy. Presumably he knows what he's talking about. There's a guy there whittling walking sticks. So about 15 minutes hopefully we'll be able to get the process started.
No tomate.
No tomate.
Unas 50.
So,
That's 3 pupusas in here. Let's go.
the breakfast of all El Salvadorian champions, pupusas. So we want to try and get the first group to leave if we can.
Acá es responsable con el medio ambiente, así que toda la basura que usted genere tiene que salir del lugar.
So we just paid $4 each for the guide. Now you want to move up. There's a... Muchas gracias. Well, I guess we're off. But I think there's another fee to pay at some point of $3 for the national park. We're moving on, but just here you buy your entrance to the park. So guide is $4, entrance is $3, and there was that extra 50 cents to access the car park as a pedestrian. Don't really know. Such is life.
Brazalete celeste, hagamos la filita, por favor.
It's not that lovely path. ¿Sigue? No. Okay, really struggling. They say another hour to the crane. There's a big hill coming up. Anyway. Well folks, one hates to do this, but I have to turn back. I've almost got about halfway. But you know, I am unfit, but it's more than that. I feel like vomiting. And I can't quite take, I can't take deep breaths. So I wonder if I'm affected a bit by altitude. I'm probably at about a bit over 2,000 meters here. I haven't been affected at this altitude before, but you know, it's been a long time since I've been at altitude, and yeah, I don't know. I'm a bit shattered, to be perfectly honest. I've got to make my way slowly down, and I'll meet Graham back in the car park, and hopefully he's got a lot of lovely shots for you, but I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest. At least, you know, we've got the time here to just have a appreciation of where we are, and there we go. I think we came from over there somewhere. And to be fair, the problem is they get up the top, they have half an hour, and then they come back. And so the guide was saying, you know, if I didn't go much faster than I was, that, you know, we wouldn't get there before they started coming back, and that was going to be that meant I wouldn't get to see the crater, obviously. If I could just have gone at my own pace, I would have taken twice as long, but I would have got there. But yeah. It's not a great substitute, is it? Well, at least I conquered this height. Over there is that lake. And up there, Volcano Santa Ana. Graham's up there, probably right at the summit right now, I'd say. But that's it up there, so hey, look, we achieved a nice view of it. Over here, also a nice view of the lake. It's a little bit hazy, a little bit cloudy. There is another slightly shorter but much steeper volcano that some people hike. It starts with I. No doubt I'll be putting the name on the screen right now, and it's hiding behind those clouds there, but that's pretty much the extent of it. Unless it's that one over there. Well, it's much quieter here at the park office than it was before, hey? Ah, the scent of failure. Back to the car park. A bit of a dog in the middle of nowhere. Don't know where he came from. Is he someone's pet? Not what I was expecting. I don't know if he's a wild dog. He seems somewhat domesticated. He probably gets food from the hikers. He actually looks a bit like a Tasmanian tiger as far as the pictures go, because obviously I haven't seen one of these. I haven't seen a Tasmanian tiger in real life, have I? I can't tell you how much easier it is walking downhill than uphill, like a gazillion times. Well folks, just waiting for Graham to get back. The bus has just gone, so I thought this would be a good chance to tell you about the buses here. There is another bus, but it's just in about 2.5 hours. But we might see if we can Uber it. I don't know how possible that is. But buses from Santa Ana to here, there's a 201, and a lot of people take the 7:30 bus, which we were going to do, but then we ended up taking an Uber because it was much quicker. And the Uber was only $15-16 US one way. The question is, can we get an Uber up here? Probably not. But you never know. You never know your luck. Anyway, the 201 and the bus that just left was the 248. So those are your two options, I think, up here. You can see the mist's really clouded over there. And here, lots of people eating. It is Easter Sunday today, and there's a lot of people calling out trying to get people to come to their food store. Folks, Graham has returned victorious. How was it, Graham, up there?
Steep and hard work, but worth it if you're fit enough.
I think it would have been worth it if I'd made it.
Yeah, oh definitely would, yeah.
And anyway, Graham has taken some footage up there. Thank you very much, Graham.
Yeah, well, we'll have a look and see what there is. Oh, that's the caldera. Nice lake of sulphur down there. Also all the sulphur steam coming off. I think probably we're going to have to be going back down shortly. It's good. It's a good hike. Recommend it if you can, if you've got the fitness to get up. But do be aware, you do need some fitness to get up there. There we are, descending back into the clouds on the return trip. Eerie. Going down into it's very barren. And we'll go down a little way and it should be nice dense jungle again. Hey, next video probably.
Anyway folks, we don't know how we're getting back at the moment. We're hoping that an Uber agrees to pick us up, but it seems unlikely, so we might be on the 4 p.m. bus, which is in 2 hours, but luckily there's absolutely nothing to do here.
Yeah, it's really exciting.
Come here, do nothing. That's my advice. Oh, the volcano is now completely under cloud. You can't see it. Folks, we thought we'd finish today's vlog with our dinner. We're back in Santa Ana, safe and sound. And, well, I'm at this place. It's called Pollo Campestre. There's a couple of, well, we presume that they're local. Who knows? And there's lots of choice here on the menu. And, well, we had a hankering for some...
Pollo.
Yes, pollo. I was hoping he was going to do gimme fried chicken. Graham, have you decided?
Gimme fried chicken.
In tacos.
In tacos.
Are you going the taco?
I am going to taco.
Yeah. He's going the taco. I'm just going the straight fried chicken. What the hell is El Salvadorian fried chicken like? Well, I know it's something you've probably been wondering for a long time, dear viewer. Hi, Bob. If you're still there, we are going to show you. Okay, folks, so Wokesy, we got fried chicken, we got papas fritas. Well, actually, they just say papas here, and we've already had some actually quite nice garlic bread, very soft. So, yeah. Now, Graham has ordered papaya con leche, papaya and milk. He's drinking it through his plastic straw. How good is that plastic straw?
Yeah, so.
And how good is the drink?
Very good.
Okay, folks. Fried chicken, El Salvadorian style. It is not exactly the same as KFC. It's quite similar. And also, They give you the roll that nobody really wants. And I think there's some coleslaw there that does not taste, well, it tastes like it's made out of, does anyone know what clag is? Or some other glue? But you think that that's interesting. Over here, Graham is busy smothering his 4 tacos with gravy. Well, here we go. Here comes the test. The biggest test there is. Taco or not taco? Taco or not taco?
Taco.
It's okay, folks.
I wouldn't respect for it, but it's okay.
Well, it looks like there's chicken and beef in there. Is that right?
Yeah, mixed.
No, it's a mixed. Mixed taco. So, folks, I think we should be left. You should leave us now so that we can finish our Pollo Campestre feast, and we will see you tomorrow, where stuff may or may not happen. Who knows? It's the same vlog. You don't. It's not like you have to tune in again. I mean, there will be a vlog up anyway. See you then. G'day, folks. Well, it's day 12. No, day 11. Today is day 11, the 21st of April, 2025. We are back at the bus terminal Francisco Lara Pineda. And it's a lot busier than last time because it's we're back to normal days. All the shops are open, and we're heading to the Ruta de Flores, the route of the flowers. Apparently, if you come a bit earlier in the year, February or so, it's these 7 towns connected by a road, and there's just flowers everywhere. It's all in bloom. Well, it's not quite the same today, but it's not too bad because the rains haven't come yet. So these buses are what they call chicken buses. Well, I'm motoring along here in this bus. Already a bit cooler. As soon as you get moving, it's alright. It's just the heat while you're stationary. And I'm trying to make some decisions, and I'm making them on the fly here, folks. Huachapan is the town that we will arrive in, and then we're going to take possibly a minibus, another bus down the Ruta de Flores. I believe the 249 connects all the towns. We have Ataco, which is appears to have some nice views of the surrounding area. And then there is Apaneca, which is the one that I originally wanted to see, but thought it might be a bit too tricky. But I don't know if we've got time to see 2 towns and get back, because we don't want to get back too late. I think we'll work it out when we get there. Alright, we're here. We are here, but we have to work out now how to get to Apaneca. So here we have some bloody tuk-tuks as well. Well, the 249 is, I think, the route. Does the whole Ruta de Flores. Okay, we are on the bus to Apaneca, so it's about as good as we could expect, right? Okay. Well, we're almost at our main stop, Apaneca. Just over 10 minutes, I think, from here, 10:15. And then we'll come back. If we've got time, we'll stop at Ataco. There is like a cross on a hill and a lookout. So it's only about 10 minutes from the bus station. So we'll just pop in and check that out, time permitting. Gracias, señor. Well, folks, this is Apaneca on the Ruta de Flores. You can go dune buggying, and that's what's going on here. Dune buggying. Or you could take a four-wheel bike, a four-wheel, whatever you want to call it. Look, folks, flowers. In the comment section, please tell me what flowers these are. I'm going to say hyacinth, but it's a complete guess. I have no flipping idea. Oh, there are some flowers. I mean, it's very much a tourist trail, and apparently on the weekends, all these towns are just packed with people, with peoples. I have no idea if it's open or not. I mean, it doesn't look open from here. That's a lovely little space. Spot here. And out there people are looking at a slightly better view of the mountain up there in the restaurant there, I think. And there's shops selling souvenirs as well. You know what I haven't been able to find in El Salvador, not once, I have not been able to find me a postcard. Apaneca. Today is, of course, a Monday, and one suspects possibly the quietest day of the week here. But look, there are some flowers. Hey? Ruta de Flores. Root of the flowers. Whenever you're looking at this video, the Pope died today. So I think perhaps there are some crosses out here in Apaneca because of that, or because yesterday was Easter. We found ourselves here, back where we were before, Cafe Albania and the Labyrinth. If you're here for adventure or a bit of an adrenaline, this is the place to come. $5 entrance. Oh wow, look at all the stuff here. Well, there you go, it's already all happening, isn't it? There's a zip line over there. People are zipping, but they're also on bikes. Oh, there's multiple zip lines. Wow. This is the place for fun. Well, this is the way Right. Okay, I gave the guy my ticket. He said, "Un momento," and then ran away. The beginning of the maze, and overhead. The maze begins as people zip line above us. Apparently certain methods to doing labyrinths and mazes, and I don't know any of them. Okay, I've been going for quite a while now. And finally, somehow, by going all the way back to where I started and working a different way, I got to this. Please be it. I achieved one thing in 2025. I didn't die. Lost in the maze, I actually found my way out. Woohoo. Well folks, last stop for the day. Here we are in Parque de San Francisco. St. Francis Park here in the little town of Ataco. Now, the reason to stop here in this town, there's a large cross on a hill. So let's see if we can get there because it's only a short walk from here. For the final act of the day, just been completely lost. I met some tourists on the previous bus and they said they had to take the road around to get to Miardor de Cruce. I've just climbed up a big hill. I've seen no signs whatsoever. They said there were some steps, but they're like covered in mud or something. I don't know. Here we are at the top of the hill. It's private property. Ruta de Flores. It's lovely. And look, we did get to a cross, La Cruz de San Sebastian. I wonder if that was the bad one and this is the good one. Guess what folks? Andrew's not done. Andrew is still going to try and get to this goddamn Miardor de Cruce, the lookout of the cross. That means climbing the hill a second time. Dogs around. Well folks, we did it. At one point I'd officially given up. But then I don't know why or what possessed me, but I continued going and here we are. At the right time of day too. Just out of nowhere, a crowd appeared. A popular place to be at sunset, no doubt. folks. I didn't think I was going to get up here. I climbed the wrong hill. I came back down, then I climbed this one. I didn't say no today, although this is the third final thought / outro I have filmed. And I think this is a great take. You can sort of get the whole town in your viewfinder when you look at it from this perspective, with a little bit of warm fading sunlight. Very nice. Hello folks, how you going? Well, this diary vlog has come to an end. Graham, how you going? Been a bit under the weather today?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. But tomorrow we're heading to the El Salvadorian capital of?
San Salvador.
San Salvador, yeah. So, yeah, I got a couple of things planned for San Salvador. Obviously a little bit of looking around at the city, and then hopefully a day trip. We'll see how we're both feeling. And hopefully the answer is good. Thank you for joining me over the last couple of days, which composed this vlog. Thank you very much, Graham, for getting all the way to the top of Santa Ana yesterday. And thank you everyone for coming along to the Ruta de Flores with me today. Wherever you are in the world, look after yourselves. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as it does help the channel to grow, and I do really appreciate it. Take care again, wherever you are. May
The
journey
never
end.